You getting this? Hi everybody, my name is Modupe Onilu. Welcome to ILÉ Park, where nature is king. So basically what we have here is different areas that are being used. In the back here we have our flat spot where we do most of the yoga sessions.
Okay.
Down this way we have a relaxation station or area where we have the hammocks and we put mats on the ground and stuff. We could probably go down here first. So we have our hammocks, homemade. You could come and relax with your friends and your family and loved ones. You could have breakfast, you could have lunch, you could even have dinner. Up here I have my little fig trees. So at ILÉ Park we have different areas one can enjoy relaxing in nature. So on top here we have our little homemade bamboo benches. We have a little fire pit here that we light and we do like marshmallows and on sticks, roasted marshmallows and different things, It's a little fire vibe. We sit down here, play games, talk, play a little drum circle, because we are drummers, musicians. So we have a little drum circle area here. And on top right there, this side is where we put most of the tents. And we put a tent right here, 1 or 2 tents here sometimes, according to how much people we have. I have my 1863 German Weiss. So if you want to press down anything, you could come and use this bad boy here. It's been around since before I was born, they say. So in the back here is where the kale is. Very bushy. This has been harvested probably yesterday for the market today. And if you walk a little lower down, you can see we have some red kale in between here. Nice red kale. Fresh.
Doesn't realize that agriculture is no what I mean. Place looking nice now.
True.
Like, it just had to be there's a whole ecosystem, everything growing.
And that what is good on here, the ecosystem here is so perfect. There's growing in between the bush.
Yeah, that is it.
Healthy. On top here is where Dr. Shango have his nursery shed with all the small nursery plants now. So we could probably run up here quick. So here we have our passion fruit trellis system where we have a lot of passion fruit just growing throughout the year and it's pretty sweet.
Yeah, well. I usually they call it passion, isn't it?
Wow. And we have some on the ground here.
Fresh munch. Yeah.
But this tree is actually growing 2 plants at the same time.
Yeah.
Grapefruit
On one side and mandarin.
and one side mandarin.
That's the thing about
Grafted.
citrus. All citruses come from basically one plant, that is the Queen Victoria. That's the name of it. And then
It's not gospel? Sour orange?
But yeah, that's the same thing.
That's
the
correct.
name is Queen Victoria. Yeah.
Ah, okay.
So
Right, right.
from that, you could actually graft
Anything.
anything onto it. So this, I give it a perfect example.
Yeah.
Grapefruit on one side, mandarin on one
Next
side.
Vibes. You see, boy? Through here. On this side here, we have lettuce. It's a nice head here. Big like your head. Bigger than your head. Twice. Yeah. And we have a rough skin lemon tree here that is not stopped there either too. So here we have a great looking crop of lettuce, Trinity lettuce.
Yeah.
We could see it's the same one that we got over on the next side, but a little more lush looking. These aren't ready to harvest yet. Those over there would have been ready to harvest. So Dr. Shango, again, master farmer, doctor in agriculture, he is responsible for everything you see here on this side of our entire estate.
Because these lettuce look like about 3 weeks old.
About 3 weeks old.
Yeah.
So it's about the next 3 weeks again to go, roughly. I believe lettuce something is 6 weeks.
6 weeks.
Yeah. And it looks really nice. You know what I mean? And of course we have plantains, Grand Michel, green fig, CKAs, all that good stuff. Dr. Shango and my father, rest in peace, Jaja Onilu, master drummer, cultural icon, had a vision from since before I would have born in the 70s, maybe when my father would have moved up to Caura and obtained the land. So from since then till now, they always had the vision of cultural transformation, which is culturally transforming people for them to understand the importance of organic lifestyle through farming and through music. Because my father is a musician. Dr. Shango is also a musician, a guitarist, composer, singer.
Okay.
He have an album, 2 albums actually, that we recorded. Yeah.
Didn't know that.
All the music is based on agriculture and agriculture awareness, nature awareness. And moving forward today, I was able to move up here like 5 years ago. And through the pandemic, due to the shutdown of the entertainment system, because I'm a musician by profession, I was able to delve more into the agriculture with the guidance of Dr. Shango, and as well create an eco park, because that's something I was always intrigued by. My father always talked about it, you know, how we always thought about having people come in to visit and all that, and I thought that was a nice avenue to go down, to have people come and visit through an actual eco park where we could have events, camping and all of that. So today we have 2 operations, Dr. Shango, which is Agronomics Inc., but is now changed to Caura Valley Bioecosystems, CBES. Yeah?
Okay.
And we are ILÉ Park, ILE Park. ILÉ means house in Yoruba culture. And the 2 together work really well. Because when I have guests, I could carry Dr. Shango, carry them to Dr. Shango to get an agriculture tour and a little workshop on organic farming, the use of different crops and different methods of growing crops of all different types, from ornamental plants to fruit trees, you know. The Caura River is an extreme important factor of the Caura Valley ecosystem.
Yeah, well, I mean, that is it.
Exactly, that's the water source.
Exactly.
A lot of farmers take water from the river, pump it to their farms and stuff like that. And it's just an honor and a privilege to be around so much greenery with all the turmoil that is happening in the world with COVID-19 and all the other things that Delta this and Omicron and all that. In the jungle here, you have this ecosystem with birds and lizards and snakes and flies and breeze and sun to just absorb, you know what I mean? So I want to give thanks to David and Rachel from the market movers for coming up and blessing us with their vibes. You know, we saw a lot of different crops. We're now going to harvest some crops. We're going to harvest some kale and some 5-finger. So look out for that. Like 5 bundles. Don't have a bundle there already.
Yeah.
So guys, at ILÉ Park, some of you may know we have different businesses under ILÉ Park. We have Vyombo Designs, we have Dio BGD, which is the musical band. And this year we have Vyombo Designs workshop lab, where we do all our jewelry. You know, if you come a little closer, you'll see like we have some little calabash cups that we pick right here on our property. We have bamboo that is picked right here, bamboo cup. Nice and well cleaned, cured. And then we have over here different sizes of calabashes and stuff like that. Good for eating and different stuff. And we use a lot of natural woods. This is purple heart. This is a leaf. So it could come as a pendant or a pair of earrings maybe sometimes. A little thinner. And we have a different range of different tools and drills and chisels and knives where we carve and drill and stuff like that, you know? And this is the workshop, and then we go in here. Well, this is the little kitchen with the little tools and thing. This is the drum art music studio. So I have all my drums here. This is all my drums I play at gigs. This is my kit I use to travel with to play all these different things. This is the studio that has no interface. So we have the studio, WBGD headquarters, my drum set, my other drum rig here. And if you look around, you'll see some of Daddy's, Jaja Onilu, that guy there in that picture. His accomplishments over the years, different trophies and medals, well toured the world as far as China, Czech Republic, solo percussionists since the 70s, 80s. You know what I mean? At ILÉ Park, we actually create musical instruments that we call organic percussion that was created and invented by Jaja Onilu, master percussionist. And I was going to run through some for you real quick. This is an organic rain stick. It's made from bamboo, Kugobef pickers, and a seed inside called Clotillaria. And the sound is very natural. And it sounds just like rain. So if you pull your rain, and if you play something here, and that's just a few, a little rusty now, boy. So that's just a few of the instruments, how it sounds and stuff. We have bamboo stuff up here. This will give you the sound of like different animals moaning and groaning and making the natural songs in the forest. We have the frog songs. We have owl songs. We have little critters, you know, stuff like that. And we have drums, we have lucky seeds. All the materials are actually from the natural environment right here in the Caura Valley. This is our earth harp. This is our gorilla. Yeah, and of course drums.